Why does my AC smell like mildew? Your air conditioning smells like mildew because moisture is collecting inside the unit and mold is growing on damp surfaces, such as the evaporator coil, the drain pan, or the ductwork. And that trapped dampness is what creates the musty odor blowing through your vents. Think of your air conditioning system like a cold glass of lemonade sitting outside on a hot day. Water droplets form on the outside of that glass because warm air hits a cold surface, and the exact same thing happens inside your unit on the evaporator coil. That coil stays cold to pull heat out of your air, so moisture constantly forms on it. And most of that water is supposed to drip safely into a drain pan and flow out through a drain line. But dust, dirt, and skin cells build up over time and create a perfect layer of food for mold to grow on, especially in a dark, damp space with no sunlight. Something most homeowners never learn is that mold can start growing in as little as 24 to 48 hours once that moisture and dirt combine, which is why the smell can seem to appear out of nowhere. A clogged drain line is one of the sneakiest causes because water backs up instead of draining away, giving mold the perfect breeding ground. Simply running a wet and dry vacuum on the end of that drain line outside your home can pull out years of buildup in minutes. One common mistake is thinking a musty smell means you need a whole new system, when usually it just means the coil or drain line needs a good cleaning, so call a technician before assuming the worst. Another misconception is believing that changing your air filter regularly prevents mildew entirely, but a dirty filter only makes things worse by adding more dust for mold to feed on, so check and replace it every 30 to 60 days. People also forget that shutting off their system completely during humid months seems helpful, but stagnant air with no airflow actually encourages mold growth faster. So running your fan periodically helps keep air moving and moisture from settling. If you need help with this kind of project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.